So we stayed in one of these lovely cottages that's nestled in a beautiful natural setting. And guess what? Even the beach is just a stone's throw away from here. You won't believe it if we tell you that we are exactly in between the beaches of Baga and Kalangut. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
In today's video, we will take you on a small tour at Little India Beach Cottages. We needed a break, so we checked in yesterday, had one of the most beautiful experiences in Goa, and today, as we are about to leave, we decided to show you guys this wonderful place. Trust me, you guys will love this. Alright, so let's begin with this room where we stayed. I feel sad to leave this place already, but yes, I have to give you a little tour of this beautiful room that we stayed in. So this here is a standard room, and as you can see here, it's got a very woody look to it, I would say. It's got some lovely greenery outside. I'm going to take you outside and you will be amazed to see the place outside. It is absolutely beautiful. Right, so they have an AC, they also have a TV which we never used, but they have it. Besides that, you get some water, you get tea, you have a kettle here, lovely mirror, and I thoroughly enjoyed this place. I had the shower of my life yesterday. Such a beautiful bathroom. Let me show you the sink as well. And yeah, I have to show you this because a lot of you guys have raised questions about the cleanliness of the places that you guys have been visiting in Goa. And a nice little fan throws in a lot of breeze, and this lovely lamp here, lovely small side table. And in case if you want to call the reception, Austin, my man, has been very kind and friendly. I called him, bothered him a bit, but yeah, he's always answered the call and he's been very friendly. And we had this gorgeous looking balcony. Look who's sitting here and chilling out. So let's head outside now and I'll show you around. We're outside Little India Cottages and let me show you around. So let's begin with from this side. If you see there, that side behind the parking, there's plenty of parking that side. And come follow me, I'll show you around. Lovely little gate. As soon as you enter, you'll see a lot of plants, greenery around. And as you get in here, you get to see these wonderful statues. So you get this typical authentic feeling that you are somewhere in the tropics and you are in Goa, right? Excuse me. This here is the reception, and guys, in the video we spoke about Austin. Thank you, Austin. Thank you for the wonderful service. I called him up, bothered him several times, but he always answered the call and helped us out. So thank you so much, Austin. Right, so this is the reception area. You can come in here, be seated here while you're checking in. Alright, now let's go inside here. So they have these lovely cottages. You see here on either sides, this side, that side. They have around 6 of these cottages inside. And as I said earlier, you get this feeling that you're somewhere in the tropics, somewhere in Goa. And this place is owned by a Goan. So yes, it's a local run business. Please do support when you're here. And besides that, what I love is how clean this place is. Just look at the pathway. Even this looks so clean, neat and tidy. I saw the ladies here, they were sweeping in the morning, so they've maintained the cleanliness really well. Look at this one here. If you want to be somewhere close to the ground floor, you can get this one. Really cool cottage. And yeah, we have these beautiful plants around. Whoa. And if you keep looking around, you'll get to see these statues. So this is a statue of Buddha. You know, it's a symbol of peace and good vibes. Once you're here, once you walk around in this natural setting, just look at the beautiful bougainvillea tree here. Come on, there's a lot more to this. Let's keep going ahead. So it's basically cottages here and some more space here, more statues here. And coming up there is the pool. I have to show you how gorgeous the pool is. They even have those little pebbles on which you can walk. And I want to thank Adrian for tracking me and helping us out with the video. Right. this is such a cool place. So yeah, this is where it opens up and you have this gorgeous little pond here. I think it's a lotus, yeah, right. Come on. Again, lots of different bougainvillea plants and trees here. Now let's go head over to the pool that side. So this is where you get the sunshine. It's like an open space here, and you have to see how gorgeous the pool is. It's like I'm in a forest. This is what I was talking about. I have to take off my shoes here because this is where the fun part begins. So these pebbles, you need to walk bare feet on these. This is called reflexology, and that's when you feel the pressure at various pressure points on your feet, and it makes you feel good because it's good for the blood pressure and all those things. So yeah, as soon as you enter, let me keep this aside, just check out the pool. I wish I could dive right in again, but yeah, we have to go. So I love this concept that they have used. There's even a well there. Sunbathing, I don't need that, you can clearly see that, but in case if you're somewhere from the UK, you miss the sun, the US, all the cold countries, you can be lying here and soaking up some beautiful sun. And look at this beautiful tree here. Right, now let's head over to that side because they have a shack that side, and we're going to go there and get some breakfast because we are hungry. Now we are heading to the beach, and while I go towards the beach, let me tell you that we booked this place online. We paid around 5,500 for the night, and I'll leave a link. You can go and book directly from the website of Little India. Besides that, it was an excellent experience. You can see the rating on Google, you can even see the ratings on booking.com, and yeah, I've shown you the place, so you have to come here and experience this yourself. I mean, this video will definitely not justify all the experiences that you're going to have here. So you should come visit this place and experience this beautiful place. Right, some more statues here. And what's this? I think this looks like a washroom or a shower area. Let's go and find out. Yeah, it's a washroom. So in case if you're visiting the beach and if you want to freshen up here, nice thing. See, I didn't know that. So yeah, as I said, you have to come visit and experience. You're going to get so many different kinds of experiences. Right, now let's move over and come over to this side. Now this is beautiful. Just look at the ocean here, lovely white sand. And as I said earlier, we are in between Baga and Kalangut, the beaches of Baga and Kalangut. That's why you see this side is not very crowded. What we are going to do now is, all this talking, shooting has made me hungry. We're going to go to Bongo Shack. This shack is connected to Little India. I have heard from some people here that the breakfast here is good. So I'm craving English breakfast for some reason. I'm going to have that. I don't know. Let's go through the menu and find out what they have. We're at Bongo Shack, and if you look at the entrance, it has some gorgeous bamboo arrangement that they've made, and they've written Namaste there. So that's really nice. Let me show you the beach. So if you see, lots of sunbeds here. That side is Baga beach, that one is Kalangut beach. Here you can come and chill out. This is not a very crowded area of the beach. You can go for a swim, and they have these beautiful sunbeds. Right, now let's go inside the shack and find out what they have to eat. This is so cool, isn't it? And I'm sure this shot will look gorgeous. Right, so let's find a beautiful spot for ourselves. So I want to have a view of the ocean and want to get some good food. So we're going to be seated here. So we're supposed to be seated there, but Adrian wanted to sit here under the fan. And guess who we have here? So auntie is Salvo's mom, the owner of Little India, We were chatting with auntie and we got to know recently that we attended a wedding together and auntie was dancing with us. And this is such a small world. She happened to be Salvo's mom. Salvo is the owner of Little India. So auntie, welcome to our channel and to our video. Such a coincidence and such a small world. But really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you, yeah. So they have lots of options. They have breakfast, they have lunch and dinner, and they have hookah as well. And auntie has been very friendly. She's given us lots of details about what is available here. So we are going to go for the chicken sandwich. Adrian is going for the chicken burger, pineapple juice and
Orange juice.
orange juice. Adrian's got a burger and I've got the chicken sandwich as well. So we were chatting with auntie and I realized later that we finished the orange juice and the pineapple juice. But yes, both were very good. No sugar, no additives. Tasted great. And Adrian, how's the burger?
Amazing.
Nice. Adrian in a very soft voice said amazing. She's lost in that burger. So okay, let me leave her to that. And now I have to try the chicken sandwich. So as soon as I picked this up, I felt how heavy it is, so that's good. The filling inside is nice. Indeed, quality stuff. I wish we could go for the English breakfast. Unfortunately, we missed it because we are here a bit late, chit-chatting, and then it's already afternoon time. But guys, great stuff here. And we are going to get done with our brunch or lunch, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, so we are done with the Bongo Shack and we enjoyed the food. It was very good. I mean, surprisingly, it was excellent. The chicken sandwich was very good, not too spicy, not bland, perfect. Filling was great, bread was great. And Adrian's burger, I tasted that as well. Finally, she's smiling, she was hungry. Now, it's time to go home. We are sad to leave, but yes, I just want to summarize. The stay was excellent, the food was good.
Amazing.
You're smiling a lot after the burger.
Amazing.
Someone was angry, but yes, all in all, an awesome experience. And yeah, that's a bike cargo. It's time to go home, and until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.